Hi, I'm Nicole Finelli with Flik Hospitality Group.
Hi, I'm Aubrey. Today we're going to be making s'mores bars. I think I'm really going to like them because I love making s'mores.
Yeah, this is a great alternative to making s'mores outside and a really good thing that you can make and bring to a summer barbecue. So we're going to get started. The first thing we have are graham cracker crumbs. We bought the pre-crumbled kind, but if you'd like to, you could also just take whole graham crackers and smash them up until they're fine crumbs. And then we're going to mix that with some partially melted butter, and this is going to make the crust of our s'mores bars. We also preheated the oven to 375 degrees because we're going to have to bake everything at the end. So I'm going to pour this in. You want to mix? Maybe try this spoon. You just want to get all of it mixed up together if you can. We're going to get this mixed up, and then we're going to press it into a baking dish. And then we will be right back.
We're done flattening it.
Yep, so we pressed our graham cracker and butters. We actually decided to get a bigger pan because there was a lot more graham cracker crumbs than would actually fit in a smaller pan. And so we pressed that all into our baking dish, and that's gonna make the crust of our s'mores bars, or be kind of like the regular graham cracker part of the s'mores. Now your favorite part. What's this one?
The chocolate chips.
Yep, so we have about 8 ounces of chocolate chips that we are gonna melt to make our filling for our s'mores bar. So I'm actually gonna pop this in the microwave slowly and stirring it regularly so that our chocolate doesn't burn. You could also do it over a double boiler on the stove. So once our chocolate is melted, we will be right back. Okay, what do you think about this?
Delicious.
There's some nice melted chocolate. And what we're gonna do is add a little bit of butter to this. You wanna dump the butter in and you can start stirring that around. And then we're gonna add some heavy cream. I'm gonna put 1 cup in. Okay. And this is gonna make our filling for our s'mores bars. I'm gonna pour that and you stir, 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 stir. Keep stirring. All right, so we got everything mixed into our chocolate filling. You wanna help me pour this over the graham crackers? Okay, go ahead. I'll just use a spatula.
It looks sort of like a s'mores birthday cake.
Yeah. It's all right if some of the graham cracker gets a little bit mixed in. Okay, so what are we missing in a s'mores that we don't have here yet?
The marshmallows.
Okay, so we're gonna use mini marshmallows and we're gonna sprinkle these over the top. They don't need to cover the whole thing. You wanna be able to see the chocolate a little bit, but why don't you help me take some and sprinkle them over. We'll probably use about half this bag of marshmallows.
That's a whole lot of marshmallows.
I know, well, you like marshmallows, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, why don't you do like 1 more handful? A really big handful.
Yeah.
Okay, just make sure they're spread out. Do we have any spots where we're low on marshmallows? We can spread them a little bit. Okay.
Perfecto.
And then to top it off, we're gonna add a little bit more chocolate, because for you, you can never have enough chocolate, right? You wanna help me spread these out over the top? Yep, you can spread all those. And we're gonna just do a little bit of extra graham cracker crumbs on the top as well. It's more for color and decoration. Make sure you get all over the edge, get over here a little bit. Okay, oh, yes, and 1 for you. Okay, so here's our s'mores bars. We're gonna bake these in the oven for just about 10 minutes until the marshmallows start to get golden brown, and then we'll let them cool completely before we cut them up. So we will check back in once they're baked. And we are back. We have baked our s'mores bars. You can see they got a little bit brown on the top with the marshmallows, and while they're not completely cooled, I think somebody is ready to try them? Think?
Yes.
Okay. So we're gonna get ready to cut them, but I think somebody wants to join us.
My little sister Harper would like to come join us.
All right, come on over, Harper. All right, you ready for s'mores bars too?
Yeah.
I'm gonna see if I can cut these. The chocolate is still a little gooey. Again, I would hold off until the chocolate's completely cooled, but we're gonna be a little impatient. You can even make these a day before if you were gonna bring them to a party and let them set up in the refrigerator overnight. Yeah, these look gooey. You might need more of a spoon. Yes. Yes.
You know how I am Chef Harper.
Yep, we got Chef Harper here. Okay, I think we might need a spoon for these because again, they're a little bit melty. But might be a little bit more of s'more pudding for you, but I think if we gave it a little bit longer to cool, they would be perfect. What do you try it and let me see what you think.
Mmm.
Does it taste like a s'more?
Sort of.
Sort of. Hold your bite up to the camera. All right, well, for more cooking tips and videos, please check us out on social media at Flik Hospitality Group. Thanks and have a great summer.
Bye. Bye.